दोस्तों स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स आज अपन फिर से कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, और आज गूगल की तरफ से गाइस डिफरेंट कोर्सेज दिए जा रहे हैं कि कोर्सेरा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है गाइस जो कि अगेन यूएस बेस्ड कंपनी गाइस, उनका कोलैबोरेशन है गाइस गूगल के साथ। और बेसिकली दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग डिफरेंट कोर्सेज व्हिच आर अगेन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। So guys, you will be finding more than 50 courses. So if you are interested for this, different courses related to related to artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, Power BI tools, cryptocurrency and all different Google security, Google clouds and all different certification will be provided in Coursera up to rupees guys 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh different amounts. Okay, so those who are interested guys, directly they can enroll in this program. Plus if you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will be not missing any updates. So guys start karte hain video ko. Let me share my screen. So friends, you can see like here I go through the Coursera website. Here you can see that this is the proper interface of the Coursera. You can see the different things like if you go to the explore, there are different things: take a free course, earn a degree, earn a certificate. But in these, what happens? You need to pay for the certificate. But here you will be getting a certificate which is again free of cost. You can see the Google Cloud Coursera. They have a tie-up and they are providing basically low cost learning with zero Google Cloud. So which will be in which domains, different domains will be covered, like access top projects, professional certificates, specializations or courses from Google Cloud at no cost, valid until 12 December 2022. Limit one voucher per learner up to rupees 90,000 learner. तो गाइस आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो बेसिकली ये जो डिफरेंट कोर्सेज हैं गाइस, ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिए जाएंगे अप टू रुपीज अप टू डेट 12 दिसंबर 2022। उसके बाद गाइस यू नीड टू पे फॉर डिफरेंट कोर्सेज, बट अप टू 12 December you will be getting free of cost guys. And what happens, like it is written limit one voucher per learner. So guys, you can take any one of the courses you will providing with the one voucher. I will suggest like once you complete the course now, then for let's suppose first email ID, then you can create the second email ID, then again log in and then take a second voucher, because one voucher can be accessible only in one email ID. So that is the main reason you can create as many email accounts as well as. Okay, if you talk about the certifications, so you can see first one is Google Cloud Digital Leader Training. Then we are preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Cloud Security Engineer. Then we are preparing for Cloud Certification Engineer, preparing for Data Engineer. You can see different written Cloud Architect, Google Professional Workspace Administrator, preparing for Google Cloud Certification, DevOps Engineer. Then we have Cloud Network Engineer, and last one is machine learning. If we go beyond, so we have predict baby weight with TensorFlow on artificial intelligence platform, quick start cloud console, a tour of Google Cloud. Then we have computing engineer engine, that quick start. Then we have getting started Google Cloud Share and G Cloud. Then we have Kubernetes engine. Then we have set up network in HTTP load balancer. Then we have quick start cloud IAM. Then we have creating a virtual machine, introducing to SQL for BigQuery and Cloud SQL AI platform of it, then using BigQuery in the Google Cloud Console. And lastly, we have Google Quick Start Cloud Monitoring, managing deployments using Kubernetes engine, classify images of clouds in the cloud with Auto ML Vision, and lastly, migrating a monolithic website to microservices on Google. So you can see different projects. If we talk about the next, we have Google Cloud specializations. You can see different Google Cloud specializations are there: advanced machine learning, great data heights, security in Google Cloud, developing APIs, creating business value, networking, everything will be provided. Then we have lastly Google Cloud courses, which is Google Cloud Fundamental, AWS, IoT, Cloud Identity, Building Java. Then we have SAP, migrating to Google Cloud, site reliability. Then we have fundamentals of Azure, Google Sheets, applications. Each and everything will be provided, guys. Those who are interested, they can directly enroll in this program. Let's suppose if you are looking for this program, preparing for Google certification, you need to click on that. After clicking on that, you can see there are two options: enroll for free and financially deliverable. So you need to click on this enroll for free. Then you need to mention your email or ID if you have an account. If you don't have account, you can like just go with the continue with Google or Facebook or Apple, and directly if you want to create a new account, you can just create full name, email ID and password, and you can directly enroll in this program. So you can see each and everything we provided to you. What is the 100% online flexible learning, intermediate level English. So each and everything we provided to you guys. To those who are interested, they can directly enroll. You can see the course content as well as, if you want to see, you can see proper the course content. Each and everything we provided. This will be the certificate which will be provided by Coursera, guys. So those who are interested, they can directly enroll in different multiple courses, guys, of Google Cloud. So if you are interested, then you can directly enroll in this program. I will be sharing the link in the डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ओके गाइस, तो आज के लिए गाइस अपन इतने ही रखते हैं, मिलते हैं अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सी यू गाइस, गुड बाय, टेक केयर.